I remember being in one place where they lied to me about the insurance billing, right? When I get the bill, I come in and I'm questioning about it, and they're like, oh, well, you're out of network. I said, but my wife at that time made sure that was something I asked, and you told me I was. She acted like she didn't even know me. Like from a young age, my mother, I never remember being sent to a dentist. That was just not even a doctor, like things like that. I grew up in that kind of poverty level. You know, I used to drink, I used to smoke, and it devastated my teeth. Like Dr. Escobar and his energy, his positive, and his honesty. Oh, it was just like, that's probably not gonna work for you. You know, he was like, we're gonna take care of this. I mean, we hug each other. When we see each other, it's like, we don't, you know, he's like, we're gonna take care of this. So it was until later in my life, it was like, gotta take the kids to the dentist, you know? And then I started kind of tag along with the children. My daughter, she's so beautiful. So she was born with a cleft palate. So I had to put a pause on me and take care of her. Because after I seen what they were able to do with me, I knew I knew they could help her. They started right away with her, and they helped me too on me able to meet it financially. I mean, there was definitely, don't you worry, let's help her. Hylan Dental Care is absolutely the best place you could go to get this done. I mean, I'm sure there's other places out there, but I found my home.
For the sake of editing, a little
Like, we're going hunting together. I'm taking him with me. He's excited, like, yeah, it is.